Good morning, everyone. I would like to create an apps in Twitter. First of all, you have to go to the developer twitter.com and then log in. Now I have already logged in before. And then you can go here and then click the developer menu on the left hand side of your account here, and then click apps. Okay. Then you can create an apps, and then put a name here, whatever you want. For example, like my example one. Okay, and then put the description. It's up to you. And then put your website here. It is required. So let's say my website is cvis.amicom.ac.id. And we have to provide the aims of these applications for the Twitter employees. So I put here the application is used for teaching purpose. And then create. And the university for master student. And big data and big data analytics. And then create. Okay, this name is already used before, so we have to choose another name. Say data Amicon, for example. I hope there's no one used this name yet. It's better for me to write down here in English. So this application saving is to give an example of data crawling from Twitter. And I create again. And you have to read all of them. So yes. Okay. Now we have the applications. The application. And this is the icon of the applications. We can edit the icon. Then we go to this is application details, and then now we have the API, consumer keys, and API key and API secret key. We will need this key for our applications. Okay. And then you can also generate the consumer API, regenerate the consumer API, and also the access token. Okay, we can generate it. Okay, we can copy that access token, and then we go to our source. We have the access token. We already copy. So just copy here and paste here. Yeah. And then our access token secret. We just copy and then go here to this variable. I give the variable names exactly the same, access token secret. Just to make it easy. And then just close it. Now the API key. We copy that and then we put in consumer key in my R code, and the API secret key. Just copy that. So we have to copy all of the text and exactly the same. Okay, and then I put here in consumer secret variable. Okay, done. So now this R source actually work with this library, guys. The library name is Twitter. If in case you do not have that library yet in your computer, you can just run this script. Run this script install.package.twitter. I already ran before, so it's supposed to be work already. And then now I will run line by line just to make it sure that it is work. To run line by line. Okay, so I run this. Okay, then those variables already copied from the Twitter, so it's supposed to be running well. So yes, and then this line is actually when we set up the consumer key, customer key, access token, and token secret from the variable above. We already copy from the Twitter, and then let's run it. And then using direct authentication, we answer yes, 1. Okay. Okay, so this is work. And then let's say today we are going to set a Twitter about the corona. We want 100 tweet in Indonesian language. Put the ID line equal to ID here. So we run this line. Just run it. And this is work. And then we want to see, put in the TF, the variables. So this Twitter list to data frame. Yeah. So now we have a data frame called TF, and then we want to see what is inside the TF. So this is what inside the F here. Yeah. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 data, number of column. This is the user of the Twitter. This is the this is the tweets. Yeah, this is the tweets. Okay. Okay. So this basically what we need to do to import data from Twitter. So thank you very much. It's quite easy, right?